This is Canada, or southeastern Ontario anyway. I brought my drone to see an area I know very well by foot. This is the Dominion Arboretum. It's a 64-acre green space a handful of kilometers from downtown Ottawa. And here you can watch a grown man get way too excited over leaves changing color for the fall. Allow me to be self-indulgent with the drone for a moment. It's a $1,200 toy, and I've got to do something with it. So the first club I ever played internationally was in Ottawa, just on the other side of Dow's Lake in Little Italy. There is a club called Absolute Comedy, and it's the first place I ever played that wasn't the United States, that wasn't a military base. So I was terrified too. I thought Canadians were so different.
And I do a month in Canada every year. I have for the last decade. And every time I come up, the same idiot friends who've never been anywhere say the same thing. They go, I can't believe you're going up there to hang out with those people, man. They freeze to death. They sit in igloos. They eat seal. They're basically snow Mexicans. I'm like, wait a second. That is a horrible, why would you stereotype a group of people you've never met or visited in your entire life? That's so dumb. And then I get up here and you guys are all like, oh, with your guns in the street back home.
You can't see much now, but I've got photos from out here before where these trees were just blood red and these just electric yellows. I am a sucker though for these stupid leaves. I would do that. I would go on one of those leaf changing tours that they take to like Vermont or Maine where old women go and drink wine. It's got a mouthful of bugs. Yes, I am aware of how unnecessarily dramatic this music is. My bigger point was that this is just it's a very cool area. It wasn't what I was expecting at all. And now this club is just kind of, it's like a comfortable place. It's kind of there's a few stages in this world, and I think we all have them as comics, that you've just been playing for so long that they might as well be home. And this is one of them. And this is a clip from one of the shows this week. Thank you for a fantastic time, Ottawa. And you too, Vanier.
What's the craziest thing she did in 3.5 years? Or 3 years, I'm sorry.
She pretended to kill herself.
She pretended to kill herself? I know, look at... Here's the thing, you said that there was a multitude of reactions that just happened right now. So many different things just happened. Some people went, oh my God, I've been through the same thing. Which is what I did. And then some of you went, oh my God, what the are you talking about? And then some women went, I haven't tried that yet. Dude, that's the worst. That's the worst. So she pretended, like how did she pretend? Like did she lay real still? What? She had her mom invite you to the funeral? Vanier.